riding at night or in low light conditions demands more than just standard headlights. High-quality LED lights not only improve visibility but also enhance your safety on the road. Whether you need auxiliary lights for dark highways, spotlights for tricky terrain, or versatile turn signals, we've got you covered. Here are the best LED lights for motorcycles, each designed to boost your visibility, style, and overall riding experience. Let's dive into the top picks for the year. Number 1. Motorcycle Auxiliary LED Light Driving Spotlights. The Motorcycle Auxiliary LED Light Driving Spotlights are a rider's best friend for improved visibility in challenging conditions. These spotlights boast a robust aluminum housing, offering durability while maintaining a lightweight design. Their compact shape ensures a seamless fit on various motorcycle models, adding functionality without compromising style. The LED bulbs deliver an impressive brightness, cutting through darkness with precision. Whether you're riding on foggy mornings or pitch-black roads, these lights provide consistent illumination, enhancing your confidence on the ride. The beam pattern is engineered for long-distance projection, making them ideal for highway cruising or off-road adventures. Designed to withstand harsh weather, these spotlights feature a waterproof and shockproof build. The efficient heat dissipation system prevents overheating, ensuring long-lasting performance. Installation is straightforward, with adjustable mounts that allow you to direct the light precisely where you need it. For riders seeking enhanced visibility and safety, the Motorcycle Auxiliary LED Light Driving Spotlights are a reliable and high-performing choice that delivers on all fronts. These spotlights are not only about high performance but also about peace of mind during your rides. The heat-resistant construction is designed to handle extended usage, ensuring that you can keep riding for long stretches without worrying about overheating. Their versatility and ease of installation make them a great addition to any bike, regardless of model. If you're looking to increase your nighttime visibility, these auxiliary lights will provide the perfect solution for any motorcycle enthusiast.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Ourbest 60W LED Front Lights. The Ourbest 60W LED front lights redefine motorcycle lighting with their powerful illumination and durable build. Constructed with high-quality die-cast aluminum, these lights are built to last, offering excellent resistance to rust and corrosion. The sleek aerodynamic design adds a modern touch to your motorcycle while enhancing its performance. Equipped with high-intensity 60W LEDs, these front lights offer superior brightness, ensuring clear visibility in the darkest conditions. The adjustable beam pattern allows you to customize the light spread, making them suitable for city rides and off-road expeditions alike. Their wide-angle coverage minimizes blind spots, enhancing overall safety. The lights are designed with a waterproof and dust-proof seal, making them a dependable choice for all-weather use. They also feature advanced heat dissipation technology, ensuring that the LEDs remain cool and efficient even during prolonged use. Installation is a breeze with universal mounts that fit most motorcycles. The Ourbest 60W LED front lights are a premium option for riders who demand excellent performance, durability, and style in one package. Number 3. MCHMFG Dirtbike LED Enduro Pit Bike Light Kit. The MCHMFG Dirtbike LED Enduro Pit Bike Light Kit is a versatile lighting solution tailored for dirt bike enthusiasts. Featuring a rugged design, this kit is built to withstand the toughest terrains and harshest conditions, ensuring reliability on every adventure. The LED lights deliver impressive brightness, illuminating trails and obstacles with precision. Their broad beam pattern provides excellent coverage, enhancing visibility on uneven paths and during nighttime rides. The lightweight construction ensures that they don't add unnecessary bulk to your bike, maintaining its agility. Durability is a key highlight, with a shock-resistant and waterproof build that protects the lights from impacts and weather elements. The advanced cooling system ensures consistent performance, even during extended use in challenging environments. The kit includes all the necessary components for a hassle-free installation, designed to fit various dirt bike models. Whether you're tackling off-road trails or navigating through dense fog, the MCHMFG Dirtbike LED Enduro Pit Bike Light Kit offers unparalleled performance and reliability. Number 4. Motorcycle Spotlight's 12V LED Headlights. The Motorcycle Spotlight's 12V LED headlights are a must-have for riders seeking dependable and efficient lighting. These spotlights feature a robust build, crafted from durable materials that resist wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting use. The LED bulbs emit a bright and focused beam, cutting through darkness and enhancing visibility during night rides. Their low power consumption ensures that your bike's battery remains unaffected, making them an energy-efficient choice. The adjustable mounts allow you to fine-tune the light direction, catering to various riding conditions. Weatherproof and dustproof, these spotlights are designed to perform in rain, fog, and dusty environments. The heat management system ensures that the LEDs stay cool, providing consistent brightness without overheating. The universal design makes them compatible with a wide range of motorcycles, and their straightforward installation process means you can have them ready in no time. For riders looking for reliable and bright lighting, the Motorcycle Spotlight's 12V LED headlights are a practical and efficient solution. Number 5. OFFORAD Gamma RS7 LED Round Motorcycle Headlight. The OFFORAD Gamma RS7 LED Round Motorcycle Headlight combines classic design with modern LED technology. Its round shape adds a vintage charm to your bike, while the powerful LEDs provide exceptional brightness and clarity. The headlight features a durable aluminum alloy construction, ensuring resistance to rust, corrosion, and impact. The LED configuration delivers a wide and uniform beam, reducing glare and enhancing visibility for both the rider and oncoming traffic. This makes it an excellent choice for night rides and low-light conditions. Waterproof and shockproof, this headlight is designed for all-weather use. The efficient heat dissipation system prolongs the lifespan of the LEDs, ensuring consistent performance over time. Compatible with most motorcycles, the headlight is easy to install, with adjustable mounts that allow for precise alignment. The OFFORAD Gamma RS7 LED Round Motorcycle Headlight is an elegant and effective lighting solution that enhances both style and safety. Number 6. YnGia Motorcycle Fog Lights LED Spotlights. The YnGia Motorcycle Fog Lights LED spotlights are engineered to tackle the challenges of foggy and low visibility conditions. These lights feature a sturdy aluminum housing that resists impacts and corrosion, ensuring durability. The high-intensity LEDs produce a sharp and focused beam, cutting through fog and improving visibility on misty roads. The compact design makes them easy to mount, while their lightweight construction ensures they don't compromise your bike's handling. Designed with a waterproof and dustproof seal, these fog lights are reliable in all weather conditions. The advanced cooling system ensures optimal performance, preventing the LEDs from overheating during extended use. These lights are compatible with various motorcycle models and come with adjustable brackets for easy installation. The YnGia Motorcycle Fog Lights LED spotlights are an excellent addition for riders who prioritize safety and visibility in challenging weather. Number 7. Universal Motorcycle LED Turn Signal Running Light. The Universal Motorcycle LED Turn Signal Running Light is a multifunctional lighting solution that combines style and safety. These lights are crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. The LEDs provide bright and clear signals, enhancing visibility to other drivers and improving safety during lane changes or turns. Their dual-function design allows them to serve as both turn signals and running lights, making them a versatile addition to your motorcycle. The slim and sleek design ensures a seamless fit on various bike models, adding a modern and stylish touch. These lights are built to withstand harsh weather, with a waterproof and shock-resistant construction that ensures reliability in all conditions. Installation is simple, with universal compatibility that makes them suitable for most motorcycles. For riders seeking a blend of functionality and aesthetics, the Universal Motorcycle LED Turn Signal Running Light is a standout choice. Choosing the right LED lights can transform your motorcycle riding experience, providing enhanced visibility, safety, and style. These top LED lights for motorcycles offer a range of options to suit different needs and preferences. Which one will you pick for your next upgrade? Let us know in the comments, and as always, ride safe.